Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting yet another project that I have designed and developed. The name is My Media. Coming to the content space, these are the things that I will be sharing today in this presentation. Okay, for introduction, it is a web application that is designed to help users search and explore news articles from various categories and sources in real time. When running the code, I'll be sharing the rest of the things. Okay, so this is the technology stack that I have used. For the front end, I have used React.js, and for some components, I have used Bootstrap. And for the database, I have used API calling because maintaining updated news frequently is not an easy task. Okay, so these are the features that I will be talking about. It enables users to efficiently search and view comprehensive news articles. It is optimized for different devices with added functionality for location-based news access. What that means I'll be covering while running the code. It has various features like infinite scrolling, light dark mode, etc. etc. Okay, so data sources, as I have shared just now, that I'm calling API, and that API is sharing data from various news articles that you might be knowing. These news articles are very popular, and this covers international news. Okay, so coming to technical implementation, for front end, I have used React and React Router. For styling, I have used Bootstrap, React Icons. For real-time data fetching, I have used News API and have also used Axios. For location-based functionality, I have used a different API. Then coming to infinite scrolling and light dark mode, these are features that I have implemented. For search bar data fetching, if you know or if you have worked with React Router, you would be knowing that for search functions, React Router gives a specific route. That means you cannot go through different routes for different searches. And for that reason, to understand or to make the app understand when data is fetching from search bar and if one search is happening after another search, so how that is a different route, how to refresh that, how to refresh the data or refresh the page, that is a major challenge that took a lot of my time. Then strict mode issues, it calls API twice, so you have to basically know at what page you are, and if for every data calling, if you are calling different pages, or if you are stick to that page till you are requesting for the new data. Then infinite scroll error. For infinite scroll, the API I am using, that is giving a particular number of news articles. So at the end of these articles, if you try to search again, it will give you an error. Those things are handled. The next point, the null value causing crashes. Yes, for databases have various null values. Some null values can be in the thumbnail or in the news headline or in the news description, who is the writer or the date posted. Those things are handled. Future improvements. So I have a vision of making this thing public by adding more features like user accounts. User can come and log in. User can like posts like social media, and then user can also have comments or save those news for his reference. Then additional data layers, offering more detailed content analysis while filtering such as regional news and language selection. Then video integration, not only images, I intend to incorporate videos alongside blogs to enhance content usefulness and engagement. Okay, so that's it. Now coming to the code. So these are the dependencies. You can see Axios, React, React DOM, React icons. I probably have shared that I have used React icons and Bootstrap here for front end. Then React router and React top loading bar. Yes, that is also what I have used. So you will be seeing that while running the code. So you can see how this thing looks like. First, coming to the features, there is a light and dark mode. This is set to dark mode, not by default, but whatever is set in the cache memory. For an example, if I set it to light and then close, not only this, I close the server also. Then again run the server and go to my application. You can see it is opening in light mode. Now coming to another feature, like when you will be coming to the end, there is an UI you can see for loading. And not only this, if you see here, there is a bar is going here, red bar you can see. See this. Now coming to another function, if I search something, it will give me results. And you can see this article, this is not having a thumbnail. So by default, this thumbnail I have selected. So now let's see the different searching features. Actually, previously it was giving me some errors, that's why I'm trying it again. And as you can see, it is working fine. Okay, now coming to headlines. You can search headlines, and if you have noticed, this thing returns the latest news articles at the beginning. Like this, you can go through various domains here. And another feature, near me. If you select this and select to my city, select to my district, then it will show you the news from your district. And select my state, it will show you the news from the state. And country, it will show you news from your country, wherever you are located. So it makes it more dynamic. Now let's see how it reacts when there is no more articles to fetch. Now as you can see, we are at the last page and it will not reload again, and it ends with the customized card. Okay, now we will be seeing how it handles when there is a problem from the server. If I change the API key to something else, how it reacts. Yeah, so that is the page you will be seeing when there will be any error from the server side. So that's my project. Thank you.